Sound check, check, hey, sound check. Hey, sound check. Hey, sound check, hey. Check, hey, sound. Check, hey, sound. Check, hey.
Meeting in this important forum, I extend my support to the Climate Change Commission. This gathering underscores the urgent need for us to strengthen collaboration, explore innovative solutions, and champion meaningful advocacy in addressing the growing challenges posed by climate change. As our country continues to face extreme weather events, rising temperatures, and environmental vulnerabilities, it becomes even more crucial for leaders, advocates, experts, and communities to work together. Through shared knowledge and coordinated action, we can build a more resilient nation and ensure that our people, especially the most vulnerable, are better protected. I commend the Climate Change Commission and all participating organizations for creating a platform where ideas, strategies, and best practices can be discussed and transformed into impactful initiatives.
Congress of the Philippines. I was ranked first, garnering over half the total votes. I want to be a public servant leader who will strive to be relevant and meaningful work. And so even then, I've always been focused on certain issues that I'm passionate about. Before I turned 40, I found myself being named as one of the global leaders for tomorrow in the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. Then, the United Nations Environment Program Award in Turin, Italy in 2001. All the while offering legislation benefiting women and children's rights, including the Anti-Domestic Violence Act, Anti-Child Labor Law, the Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act. I also sponsored into law the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. And
a pleasant morning to everyone. It is truly a pleasure to welcome all of you to the Student and Stakeholders Forum on Environmental Management and Climate Action. Today at a very important time. Climate change is no longer something we talk about only in classrooms and in planning meetings. We feel it in our everyday lives through stronger typhoons, rising temperatures, and the challenges our communities continue to face. Because of this, forums like this are no longer optional. It is necessary.
Agencies, to the CNSC President Attorney Ryan L. Esteves, PBA, sir. The Students and Stakeholders Forum on Environmental Protection and Climate Action serves as a strategic platform to bridge the gap between environmental policy and grassroots action. Our purpose is to mobilize the academic community and local leaders of our community into unified front against the escalating threats of climate change within our province.
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning! Natulog pa ang aming mga estudyante. Good morning!
Good morning!
So on behalf of Camarines Norte State College, I extend our warmest regards to our guests, mga ating Climate Change Commission and Climate Change Task Force, lalong-lalo na sa ating pinapipitagang mga PIPs natin dito, ang Deputy Commandant ng CCTF, Ruth Rances, ma'am. Palapakan natin si ma'am. Ano rin natin na si ating Commissioner ng Climate Change Commission, Commissioner Albert Pago de la Cruz. And other heads of government agencies na natin dito, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. And of course, to our students here, I believe these are first year students. First year kayo, no?
Pago de la Cruz, the Commissioner of Climate Change Commission and Director General of Climate Change Task Force.
Let me first state the citation. Certificate of partnership is hereby given to the Climate Change Commission for establishing and strengthening a meaningful partnership with Camarines Norte State College in support of the Student and Stakeholders Forum on Environmental Protection and Climate Action. Given this 23rd day of January 2026 at Camarines Norte State College.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to have experts in climate change management with us today. May we have Miss Julie San Juan.
Ang gobyerno na kailangan ay ang kailangan ng sambayanan, pumunta tayo.
Dear Severino Francisco.
Good morning, everyone. I'm so thankful na yung lahat po ng mga estudyante na invited din nandito. I just want to acknowledge all the guests and participants po sa activities nito. Our guest speaker for today is the Commissioner of the Climate Change Commission and the Philippines. He is a licensed environmental planner, renewable energy advocate, and occupational safety health practitioner with a passion for environmental protection. He is also served as understation of the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development and has held board roles in the Philippine National Oil Company and its renewable energy subsidiary. Some of the notable initiatives include climate change mitigation, advocating for waste to energy technologies and renewable energy sources to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable development promoting guardianship, food security, and sustainable future. Community engagement, collaborating with the local government units, academic institutions, and civil security society to address climate change impact. Speaker, Climate Change Commissioner of the Philippines, Commissioner Albert de la Cruz. Pasensya na lang po, nakamasa ko kasi may dental problem pa. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ma'am Ruth. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Ruth Rances, the University President, ating mga kasama na nasa presidential table, sa ating mga kapatid from Climate Change Task Force, headed by our regional commandant, ang ating kaibigan na si General Galvan Arcilla. Palakpakan natin. Significantly contributed to climate resilience, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Your invaluable support to the Climate Change Task Force, community engagement, and advance the nation's efforts toward climate resilient and sustainable future and responsible citizen. Given on this 23rd day of January 2026, in recognition of your meaningful contribution to these climate activities. Signed, yours truly, Commissioner Albert de la Cruz of the Climate Change Commission. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause.
We take this oath of office as a member and officers of the Climate Change Task Force. I state your name, appointed as, state your position if you are an officer, Climate Change Task Force, Climate Change Task Force Auxiliary, as the case may be. Do solemnly swear to uphold the values and objectives of this organization. I pledge to serve with integrity, professionalism, and respect for all individuals under my care. I will support my fellow members, promote unity, and work toward the betterment of the Climate Change Commission and our country. So help us God. Palakpakan mo lang natin sarili. Ngayon, we will have
From the Office of Consumer Services and Development, saying the earth is what we all have in common. So please protect it with persistence. Maraming salamat po! 1, 2, 3! Maraming salamat!
May nagtataram pa din pala. Saan ang daan? Saan ang daan dito? Kain mo.